what's up, everybody? So Coinbase, you already see what we got up. They're coming out with a new NFT marketplace, and of course, guys, it's going to be dropping Q4 2021 a little bit later this year. So y'all need to check out and stay tuned for what they got going on.
For sure. So guys, you're going to be able to buy, sell, and create NFTs straight on Coinbase. I mean, we got it right here for you guys. You can actually, join the wait list. I joined up a little late, as you could tell. And you can use your link, though. Share it to your friends, your family, your fans, your followers, whatever. And it'll move you up the rankings.
Absolutely, guys. And of course, don't forget, with these Coinbase NFTs, at first they're going to be Ethereum based. They're going to have some more stuff coming out later, 2022. And you should take note, you're only going to have to pay gas fees for this. No additional fees. Shots to OpenSea. So, do with that what you will.
And, it was trending on Twitter today. I think there's going to be a lot of FOMO into this. This is good news because, OpenSea, they got a monopoly on this. So, I mean, if we go to Twitter, a lot of people are hype. A lot of people are realizing what this means for the NFT community and crypto as a whole. There's 70 million, Farouk.eth says there's 70 million wallets on Coinbase about to enter the NFT space, and you're still worried about short-term floor prices. Hey, Coinbase is out here shouting out the punks, the penguins, the cats, the kitties, the apes, and the art blocks. Good shit. They know their stuff. I mean, if we look here, let's go back. If we look down here, we got Ghosts, made by Metza, Forgotten Ruins,
got Ponderware,
well. 3 Lao, and People Pleaser. Can I click these? No. So these are just some of the NFTs that are going to be, collaborating with Coinbase. And I know a lot of NFT creators that would want to get on this list.
Absolutely. And I'm going to tell y'all right now, guys, I'm extremely bullish on this Coinbase news just because of the fact that Coinbase is doing NFTs means they're really trying to make a mark coming into the new decade. And of course, with the NFTs, this is a new space, not so many people into it. So they're going to get that early movers advantage saying, hey, move over, OpenSea. We here too. And Coinbase, they already have kind of a lock on the market when it comes to crypto. So if they're going to get all those wallets, as you guys saw with the Farouk, he said 70 million. That's 70 million people that get exposed to the hot new NFTs, or even the ones that might not be so hot. So for me, I'm loving the news. I can't wait to see what Coinbase does with this. This is, getting me excited for Coinbase.
Yeah, and I just want to highlight this, guys. Take your Twitter facts, with a grain of salt. But 68,200,000 Coinbase users, 400,000 OpenSea users. 0.59% of Coinbase users own an NFT. Yo, NFT community is gonna be blown up, man. It's gonna get blown up. That's real deal. That's a lot, And if you're in NFTs already, trust me, you're early. You're for sure early. And there's a lot of excitement going on. Everyone's tweeting about it. It was trending on Twitter. I think it reached like the top 5 of like all tweets.
Yeah, definitely. And you guys, you can look through it, decide what's going on, see what's going on with your own sentiments and stuff. But like I said, guys, this is some exciting news just to see more people and more established companies and firms getting into the NFT space. It just shows that there's a lot of potential here and that, if you're an early investor, you shall be rewarded in the end. So, I mean, hey, you guys can look through it. You guys can see what's going on.
We got memes flowing. Yeah, man. I mean, the fact that 99.4% of Coinbase users don't own an NFT, there's going to be some stuff, man. There's going to be some stuff going on. So that's it for the video. What do you guys think is going to be the hottest NFT on Coinbase? Let us know in the comments. Like the video. Subscribe. Peace.
Deuces.